Welcome. We are following this book, first chapter Accounting in Action, and today's lecture on problem set A, problem 5A. So we have here four different companies: alpha companies, beta, psi, and omega companies. If you look here, just we have some missing figure here. Suppose alpha company A, B, C, beta company D, E, F, psi company G, H, I, and omega company J, K, L. So determine the missing amounts. We need to be competition the missing amount. So suppose this is the opening balance 2017, this is the closing balance, and this is the owner's equity changing balance. Okay, so here this figure we can easily find this figure. We know that asset equal to liability plus owner's equity. According to this basic accounting equation, we can easily get it. Asset 80,000, that means this is asset 80,000. Okay, and this is liability 41,000, this is liability 41,000. So 80,000 and 41,000. So we can easily find out this missing figure. The missing figure will be here, suppose 39,000. Okay, 39,000. So this is our formula. We can easily find out the missing figure 39,000. I think everybody is clear. Number second, December 31st, just we have missing figure asset. So same formula we can use. Asset equal to liability plus owner's equity. Earlier we calculate the opening, now closing figures. So asset, this is the missing figure. So our liability is 60,000. That means liability this 60,000, and owner's equity 50,000. Owner's equity that means this 50,000. So after combine two figures, just we are getting asset. That means asset will be here 1,10,000. 1,10,000. This is our asset. Okay. So this is our closing asset. So here the ending asset or closing asset 1,10,000. Now here just look here. This is our owner's equity changing in the year. Additional investment. We have no additional investment. You know, according to this formula, that means you know closing capital or from owner's equity statement, from owner's equity statement, or we can to calculate owner's equity statement, or we can easily calculate the closing capital. Suppose this is the opening investment. Here opening investment, you know, 30. Okay, just please I can show here. This is our ending owner's equity. So ending owner's equity equal to beginning owner's equity plus additional investment plus total revenue minus total expenses minus drawing. So here missing figure C, that means additional investment. We need to be calculated additional investment. The first one owner's equity. So owner's equity ending. So ending owner's equity 50,000. So this is 50,000 owner's equity. This is 50,000. Okay. So this one 50,000 owner's equity. And now beginning owner's equity. According to this question, beginning owner's equity from A we can easily get. That means this is the figure. And now additional investment we need to be calculate this missing figure. Now total revenue. You know, this is the total revenue 3,50,000. This 3,50,000. And total expenses. This is the total expenses 3,33,000. This is the 3,33,000. And now drawing 15,000. This is 15,000. This is the drawing. This drawing 50,000. So after competition we can easily get 9,000 as our additional investment. I think everybody is clear. Number beta company. Now beta company, just liabilities. Here competition figure is liability. This is the missing figure D. So we can easily calculation D. That means beginning asset equal to beginning liabilities plus beginning owner's equity. Actually asset equal to liability plus owner's equity. This is the basic accounting equation. Okay. So here asset 90,000. So here asset 90,000. that means this is 90,000. And here our owner's equity 40,000. So this is owner's equity 40,000. So 90,000 and 40,000. So liability will be missing figure. That means easily we can say this will be 50,000. It will be 50,000. So this is the 50,000. Okay, I think everybody is clear. Okay, number second, our C, that means closing owner's equity. So the same formula use. We can use the same formula, that means asset equal to liability plus owner's equity, and easily computation this 40,000. I think everybody is clear. Now the F, that means we need to be calculated drawing. We have no drawing here. F. So drawing is the missing figure here. So this is our drawing, the missing figure. This is drawing. So we can calculate drawing as a missing figure. That means this is the drawing 33,000. Okay, I think everybody is clear. Now Psi company, G, this is the asset. So this is the beginning asset, 1,29,000. Number second, the AS, that means this is the liability. So we can easily calculate the liability. That means this is the ending liability or closing liability. And number I, this is the total revenue. So this is the total revenue. So we need to be calculated total revenue. So we can easily computation this total revenue. This is the answer. Okay, I think everybody is clear. Omega company. Omega company, just we have three missing figure, J, K and L. So the same formula, you know that this is J, just we need to be calculated here, that means liabilities. So liabilities, our beginning liabilities will be this figure. Okay, and number second, K. So this is the asset. So our total asset will be these two figures combinedly. No, sorry. The minus figure. That means this is our owner's equity, and liabilities and asset. Oh, yes, these two figures combinedly. That means 2,51,000. 2,51,000 will be our total owner's equity. This is the answer. Okay, and last one, L. That means total expenses. Total expenses also will be the missing figure. That means total expenses. We need to be calculated total expenses. We can easily computation our total expenses this figure. I think everybody is clear. Now B, prepare owner's equity statement of Alpha company. So this is Alpha company, you know, the Alpha company. This is the Alpha company missing amount. That means already we have calculated. This is our beginning owner's equity. This is our ending asset. This is our additional investment. So by using the data, we can easily calculate the owner's equity statement. So beginning owner's equity 39,000. This is the 39,000. This is the beginning owner's equity. I think everybody is clear. 39,000. And additional investment. According to question, we have got it 39,000. This is the additional investment. We need to be added additional investment. This is our additional investment, 9,000. And net income, you know, net income will be that means revenue less expenses. The revenue less expenses here will be 17,000. Here will be 70,000 as our net profit. So this is the net profit 70,000. So these two figures will be this figure, and after addition this two figure will be this figure. Okay. Now drawing. According to question, we have drawing this figure, this 15,000. So 50,000 will be subtracted from this figure. So we are getting ending owner's equity 50,000. You can check it, ending owner's equity. This is the ending owner's equity 50,000. Okay. So we also can say this is proof. That's all. So our next class or our next lecture on the recording process chapter 2. Here we will describe how accounts, debits and credits are used to record business transactions. Okay, the account, debits and credits, summary of debit and credits tools. Okay, thank you so much.